Hey there, Georgia In-Home Services. This is Danny Scott with Undertow Digital. We're a nationwide marketing company, and I wanted to make sure that I could get this screencast over to you to show you some tips and tricks on some things you can utilize to edge out your competition over here in the Atlanta roofing market and grab more of that higher ranking business. So before I get started, I don't want to waste your time with this. I want to be able to give you as much value as possible by the end of this video. So by the end of this video, you see that I have some knowledge in this space and you would like to move forward with my team and myself, feel free to reach out. But if not, no harm, no foul. The only thing we ask is that you let us know how we could better serve you or could have better served you in this video. So I'm going to go over three things really fast, not super fast, I hope, but the three things are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. Three things that if you utilize them correctly, they'll be very, very effective for your business and help you gain a lot more of that higher ranking traffic. So since we're on your homepage, we'll start with the content. What content is, it's going to be the images behind everything else, the images in the forefront, and the written words of content on your page. So we'll start with the written words of content. I was going through your page. I see you don't have too much written words of content. The reviews don't really aren't considered as content. We do 1,500 to 2,000 words minimum for all the sites that we build. The reason why you want it to be very wordy is because, one, you can't just have a bunch of keywords stacked on top of each other. Google will find that as spammy when they use their Google crawlers to identify what your website is about. You want it to be pretty wordy so you can pack in as many keywords as possible, but you want it to have an organic flow to it. That will help a lot with the rankings. And when it comes to the images in the forefront and the images in the background, you just want those to be saved as the highest ranking keywords in your area. So whether that's Atlanta shingles or shingles, Atlanta roofers, something like that, something that someone would identify online or type in to find your business, you want all of that to be saved as those keywords. So now we'll go into citations. So I'll back up. What a citation is, it's going to be your business name, your business address, and your business phone number as it is in the Google Map Pack section. And the more directories you have your citations in, the higher you're going to rank in the Map Pack section. That's the primary element of rankings over here. And what a directory is, that would be like Yellowbook, BBB, LinkedIn, Facebook, any place for a business to essentially put in their information online. And the more citations you have in the most directories is what helps you rank higher on these sites. And also coincidentally, the sites that are ranking pretty high in the Map Pack section are also ranking pretty high in the organic section. They very much play hand in hand with each other. So if you start to rank higher in the Map Pack section, you'll also start to rank higher in the organics and vice versa. So lastly, we're going to backlinks. So this site right here, this is Ahrefs. This is a paid tool. I pay around $300 for my team and myself to use it. A great tool for finding things such as keywords, the traffic you're getting, your competition's getting, your competition's backlinks, their referring domains, and yours, and so on and so forth. So I'll just, I guess, identify some of these. The UR and the DR is your URL dominance and your URL trustworthiness, which kind of means something, kind of does not. As your site grows, these will also go up. So I wouldn't, as you're looking at this, I wouldn't be too worried about that. So as you can see, you actually have a decent amount of backlinks, but not very many referring domains. And when I get into backlinks, let me go over that really, really fast with you. So what a backlink is, obviously you know because you have some, but just to refresh your memory, if for whatever reason you forgot, it's going to be a link from your site to a different site or from a different site to your site. So it could be a blog post, a guest post, a forum, something like that, but not all backlinks are created equal. So let's say you have a backlink to a McDonald's in the area. Obviously, McDonald's is going to have a big impact when it comes to online dominance, but since it's a completely irrelevant business compared to your business, it wouldn't have nearly as much weight as if you were backlinks like a Home Depot or something of that nature. So you have 22 referring domains, 392 backlinks, which is giving you 7 organic traffic per month. Not crazy good, but obviously, I mean, if you didn't do any SEO, you can't expect something better. So this is one of your competitions, more of the bigger dogs in your area. I plugged them into Ahrefs as well. As you can see, they have 804 referring domains, 11,000 backlinks, giving them 3.6 or 3,600 organic traffic per month. Very, very significant. And then you have Bell Roofing right here, also a more dominant figure in your area. They have 247 referring domains, giving them 1,500, almost 1,600 backlinks, and all that is resulting in 828 organic traffic per month. And so the cool thing about this tool is that, let's say you want to up your backlinks so you can rank higher and get like almost 1,000 organic traffic per month or more. You can click on the referring domains on their backlinks, and you can see exactly where they're going. They have handyman reviewed, how to install, expertise, home blue, roofing inside BBB, best rated, all these things. So you could essentially go into all of the exact same sites, like click in here, find out, okay, so this is how they got their backlink, and get the exact same backlinks. I mean, that's how you compete with the competition. And if they have 800 and was like 808, you do 900, so on and so forth. A great way, a great tool to utilize. Obviously, a little bit more time consuming, but something I wanted to make sure that you knew. And then lastly, as a little I guess like bonus info, you can also go into keywords. So keywords are a great, huge part of ranking online, and same with the backlinks. You can click into there. You can also click into the organic keywords. So if you wanted to write yourself new organic content for your entire site, you can go into Ahrefs. You can go into your competitions or likely competitions keywords as soon as it loads, and you can see exactly what keywords they have and how they're ranking for those keywords. And so what volume is going to be the overall traffic per month, and KD is keyword difficulty. So essentially the competition behind the keyword, or how difficult it would be to rank using that keyword. So the lower the KD, the higher the volume is what you're looking for. So like right here, they have 600 volume, 8 KD, great. They're ranking 5th for that. Where are they ranking pretty high at? Roof replacement cost, Georgia. They have 100 volume, no competition for that. They're in the #1 rankings. And so you could essentially use all these, plug it into your content, and rank a lot higher. That's it for this video. I didn't want to make it too long, and I hope I gave you a decent amount of value. Like I said at the beginning, if you did find some value with this and you would like to move forward with my team and myself, feel free to reach out and we would love to help. But if not, absolutely no issue with that. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.